Hey everybody, today on Shaker's Conglomerate we're taking a look at the Phanteks Evolv. No, we're not. Hi everyone, welcome to Shaker's Conglomerate. Today we're taking a look at the Phanteks P350X. It's an old case of mine, not really that old, but I bought it with the intentions of building my i9 2080 rig in it. And I did not do that. I ended up going with the Evolv X in the end because of the size and the Type-C feature on the front. So, we're going to check it out. I don't believe all the parts are there. There might be a few fans missing. They're in other cases, other builds now. Well, here we go. It's the Eclipse Series P350X. It is 7.9 inches by 17.7 by 17.9. It is a mid-tower, ABS steel chassis and tempered glass. Supports up to an E-ATX up to 280 millimeters. ATX, micro ATX, ATX, mini ATX. Front I/O is two USB 3.0s, microphone, headphone, and the DRGB LED switch. And the side window is tempered, has 7 expansion slots. We'll see if I can see the rest of it here. No, that sticker's covering it up. I can't see the rest of what it says. But we'll take it out and have a look at it. Shipped in that harder type foam. Leave that in there for a second. There we go. Alright. Flipped over here. And here we have it. This is the P350X. So it's got 2 strips of RGB down the front here, which is really nice. This front panel just pops right off. It's got the just a straight contact for the RGB lights. All your switches are up here. Power, RGBs, 3.0s, microphone, headphones. You can fit a 2.4mm radiator here as well as up here. Along the side you got the tempered glass, which is really nice. This is the white inside. I love the color variation of it. You got a beautiful RGB strip that goes down along the side here. This case is a bit dusty. It is a previous use. There's nothing really holding the tempered glass on, just there's a bit of a lip here. That's the inside. So you got a nice large opening here. This is really nice, these slots here, the way it's angled for the 24 pin, especially if you get one of those Cooler Master 24 pin angles. You got a slot here for your GPU cables. Really nice big open on the back. Oh, on the front as well, you got those drive sleds. And on the back, you actually have slots that you can remove and replace. Your power supply unit here. You got a fan underneath. Sorry, a fan opening underneath with a dust filter. Go ahead and take the back off here. Has a nice, strong, rigid guide to guide you on when you're putting your side panel back on. And on this side, lots of cable management along here. Comes with your RGB, 3.0, HD audio, SATA. It does come with 2 sleds here. I have them in my Evolv X. For some reason the Evolv X doesn't come with any. Lots of room for your power supply unit here and to bring all your cables up through. You got slots right here. And a couple Velcros for your cable management. Really nice case to build in. I just found it a little too small for what I wanted to do. Okay, I'm back. Snowplow is here. Good old Canadian winters. There we have it, folks. The Phanteks P350X case. It's a wonderful little case. I would highly recommend it for any build. It's on price point. I think you can get it for between $80 and $100 Canadian, depending on sale days or discounts. It's very versatile. I wish it had a little bit of rubber around the sheet metal on the inside, but other than that, I don't see much wrong with the case. I thought it got good airflow. I did use it for a little bit before I got the Evolv X, and I really liked it. Thanks for watching Shakers Kilometer. I'll see you next time.